Okay, Sean's got a big fish on here. How you like that, Sean? How's it feel?
He's nice, man. He is. This is what we
Sean is the big fish man of the day.
Got some fight in it, buddy. It's got to be over 30 inches.
You gonna land that fish or you gonna play with him?
He's toying with me, I can tell you that.
This could be a while.
I was going to say, Tim, if you got the net, you might want to get the
You need a gaff?
Flying, yeah.
feeling that shallow water, not like
Good job, good job. I think that boy's gonna have to go back. He's too big.
yeah.
Tell me about it, Sean.
Oh, he's a beast, man. That's my record, Bob, for sure.
Is that your record?
That's got
Hey, what do you get when you fish with Captain Bob?
obviously. Where you're, let me get
Hold
the
him up and let me
holders
see
here.
him.
Let me get the holders. Where are the grippers, Bob?
Right here.
Might be a two-hander, huh?
Need a winch?
That's a beauty.
That is a nice fish.
That's Cedar Key.
I bet you he's an overslot fish.
Well, let's find out.